Alright everyone, welcome back. It's Albert LaBelle, and we've got another one of the products from Lockpick Mall, lockpickmall.com. So yeah, this one here, I was almost not going to show it because we did a very similar set, and I mean very similar, when I did video number 437, when I did a set from Lockpick World of the Serenity pick set, but theirs was $39.99. This one here is $36.99, and if you remember, if you use the coupon code, just type in my name Albert as a coupon code, you're going to get another 6% off of this. So it's several dollars less, okay? Again, but it is pretty much the same type of tools. We've got the high hook, we've got the half diamond, we've got the triple peak, we've got the DeForest type ball, we've got the curved reach, the swerve rake, and then the prince and the princess. Now these here, I'm not sure what the prince and princess is. I call this one the princess because it's got more of a chest and he's got more of a belly. But that's just me being me. I could be wrong about that. But yeah, they're the prince and princess. Whatever's whatever. So yeah, I figured I'd show it anyways because I like the case. The other one had a zip up case. This one's got this cool tri-fold. This flap comes down. Bada boom, bada bang. It's got magnets on two sides right here, so it's going to hold everything shut. Nothing's going to fall out. So if you got a gear bag, like if you're a locksmith or something, just tuck this in one of the pockets or whatever. Everything's going to stay put. So yeah, I really like the case. So I thought, I'd show it anyways and give you all the option. I'm just a messenger, so I figured I'd throw it out there and let y'all decide, right? So another thing that's different too, besides the case, I noticed on the other set, at least according to the website, theirs are 0.6 millimeter, and I was measuring these just for fun, and I found, turn this caliper on here, zero it out, these measure 5. Just like that. 5, 5, 5. Zero it out. 5. Try another one. Zero it out. 5. So, that could be another difference right there. I'm not sure. Maybe that's being a little bit technical. But hey, like I said, I'm just a messenger, and I thought I'd share it with y'all. I do like the case. It's pretty cool. I don't think the magnets are ever going to fail, and since it's leather, I think it'll probably last a long time getting folded back and forth. I don't think it'll crack apart on you. I doubt it. But yeah, anyways, like I said, I'm just a messenger. So there it is. This one here is from Lockpick Mall. Again, $36.99. Take off the 6% by using the coupon code. I'll leave all that information, all the details down in the description section of this video. Alright. All the details for like how long the coupon code's good for and all that stuff. So yeah, I figured I'd show it anyways and leave it up to y'all. Okay? So that's it. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. And remember, if you're not subscribed yet, you need to do so because all the cool people are doing it and you don't want to be left out.